Roland Barthes, right? So Roland Barthes now, one is what we call is denotation. And so denotation is nothing but straightforward, right? So this is a gun, right? See, denotes the gun. The denotation that it refers. We read even though this is a gun, right? But at a connotation level, so there's a different meaning to it, right? So there's a different meaning, a different level of meaning, which are based on rules and conventions, right? There's a based on rules and conventions. So Adugi, so what we are trying to do, what I will do from now on is to how this convention came into being in visual history ko okay, visual history the convention when kamaina lai, right? So we will look into that, right? But yeah, so convention is an agreement about how we should respond to a sign, right? So in terms of like sigi rules and conventions is cinema the hagadi, right? Cinema the you see a sudden scene and then it says fade to black, right? Deep to black, and then kind of, but mostly it says software that is deep to black, haven't, but then it's called fade to black. Image say fade to black image line, then from the black image it turned to another image. So, but adugi transition say we read in cinema as a rule and conventions mostly in terms of what as a passage of time. So, as a passage of time. No angre, right? Adagidi kale, right? Adagidi ama dissolve to right? Image sama le madigi adugi image tugi dissolve tawraga like the light in the this thing in the shot gets dimmer and another light, right? Aduga image sama lak matamda dissolve to matamda we see as a matamda flashback it sinai ko like people as it thinking, right? But then these are just right how light in the lights in a plate over the name. But what we are seeing is in terms of connotation, we are reading through the rules and conventions that's in cinema that we understood, right? We understood that okay, my flashback me, right? Flashback me, right? Adagidi cinema the series at tabam toramaga, adagidi atopa the short raga from the halamatamda, right? The passage of time has happened, right? Me and tabak chak thong lebedo, adagis atopa short raga some short halabada chak lembada. We don't mind, even though it's 1 second, right? So we thought that the time has passed, right? Adagi connotation level the we are looking at in terms of the rules and conventions, right? Cinema rules and conventions. So that's how we try to read the sign in that sense, right?